guys, good afternoon and welcome back. And today I'm taking you to a mall tour in Kuta, Discovery Kartika Plaza Kuta, dan Discovery Plaza. Okay, let's go. Alright, so still in Discovery Mall. So that mall is really located by the beach. Next to, in front is actually Kuta Beach. It's one of the best spot for sunset, and it's quite complete. You can have everything inside, from eating places, coffee places, boutique, pharmacy, and everything. It's very complete, and normally it is really packed with human beings from everywhere in the world. But well, as you can see, it is empty and mostly closed now. This is the first time I'm here since March, so I actually quite surprised to see. Now we are walking by the beach like this. so nice walking, but today is a bit cloudy. And on the left side, ladies and gentlemen, is all the resorts, and on the right side, ocean. No need to explain. Alright? So this hotel is Kartika Plaza Hotel. Oh, it's raining! Let's go back! Alright, thank you for watching and walking along with me. See you on my next video. Bye bye!